This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Andrea Wallis. Wow! This well-maintained brick rancher on cul-de-sac shows like a model. You will love it as soon as you walk through the front door. Move right in, no work needed, updates throughout. Open floor plan with bright kitchen and breakfast bar. 4 spacious bedrooms. Family room with TV. Large fenced-in backyard with saltwater pool, tastefully done patio and stone walk. Awnings in back. Huge detached garage. Won't last, see it now. For more information, review the details below.